Is your skin ready for a powerful makeover? Easily create your own microdermabrasion cream or cleanser with NeedCrystals and quickly turn your home into a spa. Get the beautiful skin you've always wanted from NeedCrystals. Our microdermabrasion crystals are an effective, pharmaceutical-grade treatment that gently exfoliate and polish away dead skin cells to reveal a radiant new you. Thanks to their anti-aging and skin-improving properties, your skin is totally rejuvenated and looks smooth, fresh, and bright. Exfoliation with microdermabrasion crystals is one of the safest and most powerful ways to improve the appearance of your skin. A recent clinical study in dermatology found microdermabrasion to be a fast, effective skin treatment. 91% of participants had smoother, more radiant skin right away, 88% enjoyed visible improvements in the appearance of fine lines, and 72% got significantly firmer looking skin. Now it's your turn, you can enjoy all the skin improving benefits of microdermabrasion too. Our crystals are lovingly sourced from France and Brazil. As servicers to the microdermabrasion market, we've scoured the world and tested aluminum oxide crystals from a variety of sources. After extensive research and use, we have found the best quality aluminum oxide crystals available in the country today, characterized by high purity and white color. Our microdermabrasion crystals are available in 100 and 120 grit size. Use the smaller sized 120 crystals to achieve even smoother skin. They can be used in any microdermabrasion equipment. Risk-free guarantee. We really think you'll love what our microdermabrasion crystals do for you and your skin, but if for any reason you don't agree, it's okay. NeedCrystals believes in results and great-looking skin. Simply contact us for a full refund or product replacement. Please refer to the Amazon return policy. Now enjoy how fabulous your skin looks and feels. Microdermabrasion Face Scrub, exfoliating facial skincare. Get radiant, softer, brighter, younger-looking skin. Instantaneously reduces appearance of acne scars, blackheads, wrinkles, stretch marks, fine lines, sunspots, and age spots. Gentle, pharmaceutical-grade treatment provides professional results in the convenience of your home. Create your own cream and use on its own or with any microdermabrasion equipment. Get more info, please click link in below description and 50% discount offer. Available this product. Please subscribe this channel, get update more videos.